So today we're going to be solving systems of linear inequalities. So as we're going through this, so what we're doing is we'll have two or more linear inequalities, and that'll be our system. My solution is going to be an ordered pair. That's a solution to each, that's the most important, oops, that was a little too dark, each inequality in the system. The graph is going to show all of my solutions to the system. And then to graph these, we're going to graph each inequality, and then where the shading overlaps is our solution. So like for the first one, I have x is less than 4. I can make an input-output table for both these, since they just have one variable. So x is less than 4, x is always 4. Y is 1, 2, 3. The other one, y is always 0, and I have 1, 2, 3. So when I graph these, four, 1, 4, 2, and 4, 3. And then 1, 0, 2, 0, and 3, 0. Oops, let's get better. There you go. There we go. The vertical line should be a dotted line, since x is just greater than 4. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out where these guys overlap at. So x is less than 4. I'm going to use the test point of 0, 0. So when I plug in here, I get 0 is less than 4, which is a true statement, so I'm going to shade this guy towards 0, 0. The second one, y is greater than or equal to 0. I'm going to use the test point of 1, 1. And so 1 is greater than or equal to 0. That is a true statement, and so I go above my horizontal line. Then all I have to do is these guys overlap in this little rectangle over here, because it's above my horizontal line and to the left of my vertical line. These next ones, again, x is greater than or equal to 0 is going to be a vertical line. It's a solid line. If I wanted to do a test point, I can test point 1, 1. And so 1 is greater than 0, that's a true statement, so I go to the right of that one. Y is greater than negative 1 is going to be a horizontal line at negative 1. That doesn't look good. I can test 0, 0 for that one. And so 0 is greater than negative 1, that's true, so I can go above that guy. And then y is less than 5 minus 2x. My y-intercept is 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I go down to right one, down to right one, down to right one, and I can make my line there. I like the way that looks. Nope, don't like that still. And with this equation, I want to find out if 1, 1 is I want to find out which way to shade, so I can test point 0, 0 again. So 0 is less than 5 minus 0, which is 5. So 0 is less than 5, that's true, so I go towards my test point 0, 0. And so what ends up being shaded in here is this little triangle in here. And actually, this should be a dotted line. Right like that. And so dotted line, the triangle is my solution. And so when it says, is 1, 1 a solution? One, 1 is a point in there. And so 1, 1 will be a solution. Yes. Don't do 22.